5 well-paying positions in film. If you're looking to get into film, whether that be in front of the camera or behind it, thinking about which direction to head in order to land the most lucrative position is most likely at the forefront of your mind. As in any search for gigs, it's best to get a good understanding about what's available in the industry and the average range of how much each position should pay. What is the pay range for actors? Which behind-the-scenes position might be worth your while? We've done some of that work for you. Here are 5 of the best-paying film positions for you to consider. Here is the first well-paying film position. If you're set on becoming the next film star, you're going to want to take on featured roles. Of course, you'll likely have to build your resume up a bit before you're able to land one, but ultimately, a featured role is where the money is at. If you work hard enough to climb up the ladder, you can eventually be making 6 figures or more. Here is the second well-paying film position. If you don't care so much about seeing your face on the screen and are focused more on a path that is going to land you a luxury lifestyle behind it, you may want to consider taking the producer route. A film producer can make as much as $100,000 or more a year, with the average salary in Los Angeles around $150,000, which is on the higher end. Of course, at the end of the day, this number depends on how well the film does in the box office. Here is the third well-paying film position. Directors can make just as much as producers at an average of about $110,000. But because directors are responsible for the artistic direction of the film, they have big shoes to fill. If you're looking for a challenging yet exciting gig in which you'll be able to use your creativity to bring a storyline to life, this may be the perfect role for you. Here is the fourth well-paying film position. There are a lot of opportunities to become a screenwriter. This is a demanding position in which you'll have the ability to bring your creative inputs to the table and build a storyline from scratch. You'll also be able to work closely with the film's director to ensure your vision is brought to life. Screenwriters can make as much as $1 million for a single script, which is what the movie Basic Instinct raked in, and the screenwriter was considered a newbie in the field at the time. The average salary for a screenwriter is around $80,000 annually, which varies widely by how much quality content the writer generates. Here is the fifth well-paying film position. Another behind-the-scenes option that will ensure you bring home a good wage is the role of a cinematographer, whom is the person responsible for filming. These artistic minds make about $50,000 annually, so if you're always the one filming your friends, you may want to consider making a career of it. These are just a few of the many options when it comes to a career in film. You can easily search for other positions and opportunities online, and usually for specific openings that interest you. Often, given enough hard work and determination in the entertainment industry, a well-paid compensation is in the cards. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.